Okay, so hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Kimberly Renee. I forgot to film an intro for this video, so this is actually me already at my destination on my trip. But if you want to see how I got this look and how I prepared for my trip, just stay tuned and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And subscribe is the most important part. Okay, so hey y'all, I just got out the shower and I just washed my hair, and now I'm about to like do my skincare routine. So when I'm getting ready to go on a trip, or just basically if I know I have any type of big event where I'm gonna want my skin to look good, I really started to buckle down and like really take care of my skin. Like I already take care of my skin really well, like trust me y'all, like I don't play about my skin, but I just really, you know, make sure I don't miss any of my steps in my skincare routine. I make sure I don't like fall asleep in my makeup, or you know, I start to drink a lot of water. Like I make sure I get my water in. Like matter of fact, right here I get these really big cups, and all day I'm walking around my big ghetto cup. I fill it up with ice and water, and I'm drinking all day. But another thing I do for my skin is I do a lot of facial mask and things like that. Like over the years, from just having like eczema and sensitive skin, I found that I prefer natural products. Like I prefer to know what's going on my face and what's in the products that I'm using. So I've tried to come up with my own skincare. Well, I haven't tried, I actually have came up with my own skincare products from things that I've literally just made in my home that work better than anything that can be bought from Walmart, CVS, or Target. So I'm gonna put on a facial mask, you know, get the skin popping. While that's setting, I'm gonna give me a cup of coffee because I can't do anything without that. And then I'm gonna sit down and I'm gonna go ahead and get checked in and go ahead and pay for my bags as well. So time to get these nails done. How you gonna transform without your nails? Like how you gonna go on vacation without your nails done? So I'm about to get my nails done. Oh my god, y'all, like I have come a long way, because look at this fro. Like y'all like really rocking this little bitty fro with a bow at the front. This is why I wanted my hair done, so while I run my errands today, you know, I could look halfway decent, but whatever, I'm still cute. It's Kimberly Renee. That's me. Okay, so I just left the mall. I was in there longer than what I needed to be, so I ended up just closing my camera and not really getting any footage because I had to hurry up and get out. But I got some stuff that I needed for my trip. I just went and bought, and now I'm on the way to get my eyebrows waxed. So I just blew my hair out as much as I could. I'm not a professional, and I just threw in a little 10-minute makeup, not too much, just because I feel like I'm gonna need to redo it because we're leaving tonight at 10 o'clock. We're leaving this morning. We're leaving tomorrow morning at 2 a.m. So tonight, if that makes sense, y'all. Anyways, we're leaving at 2 o'clock a.m. later in a few hours, so I didn't want to put a whole lot on and then like have to take it off anyways. And then I'm out of lashes. I have no lashes, y'all. I at least thought I had like another set or something like that, but I'm completely out of lashes. So this is like real 10-minute makeup. Look how natural it already looks, y'all. Like, what?
Lace not melted, lace not cut.
Nothing, and it already
closure.
Look at that. Look at the part. Do y'all see? See, I'm running my fingers through it already. Like, I'm so ready, y'all.
We'll be back with the curl and finished product.
I literally just got home from getting my hair done and going to Walmart. I had to stop and pick up some last minute things, and yeah, now I'm about to pack and get ready to go. Can y'all believe, like, we literally leave for the airport in less than 2 hours? We finally made it to the airport. Like I said, I literally had to take all my stuff and just throw it in the suitcase. I don't know how I was able to pack in such a short amount of time, but I did it. Y'all, we got a new airport. Like, New Orleans, the New Orleans airport has been like redone and remade. Like, it feels like I'm in a whole other state. Like, I don't even recognize where I'm at. It's so nice in here. We have so many nice new food places. And I don't come to New Orleans without getting me some beignets. I had to have me some beignets. But this probably should hold me over until we land. Okay, so hey y'all. Okay, so we finally, why I say okay so many times. I say okay so y'all, okay so y'all, okay so y'all. But anyways, we finally made it to our destination. We finally made it to our room. Today has been a very, very long day. But you know what? Let me take this coat off because y'all, like, somebody been praying for us. I mean, like, somebody was praying for us today. Like, okay, so let me tell you what happened. Okay, so what happened was we got on the plane and we were getting ready to take off. We were like riding up to like the actual runway for us like to take off. And while we were on the way there, you know, like, we heard like loud like noises and like things that just don't necessarily happen when you on the plane. And I'm looking like this not normal, this don't sound right. Prior to us even getting on the plane, like, we was already in the airport looking retarded because like it had like exposed ceilings, and our layover flight was in Charlotte. I ain't tell y'all that, but it had like exposed ceilings and like the floor had like cardboard like taped on it. So I'm like, what the hell is going on with this end of the airport? What's up in this terminal? So yeah, as we ride, I'm hearing noises. I'm like, we are never having a layover flight in Charlotte ever again. Never. I was tired. I fell asleep. I put my headphones in and I was like out like a light. I'm thinking, like, you know, like when the plane is, you know, driving up and then it takes off and like speeds up, it did that. So I'm thinking, you know, we in the air. Like we in the air, like we flying. So for maybe like 45 minutes past, I wake up. And as I'm taking my headphones out, I hear the captain say over the loudspeaker, like, we're experiencing technical loudspeaker, intercom, all the same thing. Shit. We're experiencing, my arm hurts. I gotta give me my other thing. He's like, we're experiencing like technical difficulties. We're gonna head back to the gate and we're gonna have some technicians check everything out to see, you know, everything good. I was like, what? You mean to tell me we made it all the way on the runway and we was about to take off and y'all was having technical difficulties with this plane. Like, this plane could have went up in the air literally and had problems like while it was in the air. Like, I could have not made it here today. And I was texting my family in the group message. I was like, y'all, oh my God, the plane was having problems and we was about to go up in the, you know, up into the sky. We was about to take off and the plane was having problems. I was like, y'all, I'm so thankful. Like, we really could have just not made it today. Like, that I could not be making this vlog right now. Like, it's so crazy. Like, that really freaked me out. And then the crazy part, my arm fucking hurts. Then let me tell y'all the craziest part about all of this. The craziest part was when we got there, when we got back to the gate, the captain, instead of saying, oh, we about to get y'all another plane, he said, we're gonna have the technicians check out the issues and see if they want y'all to remain on this plane or if they want y'all to switch planes. And everybody looking around like, who finna ride this plane anywhere? Who finna ride this plane anywhere? Not me. Not this person. None of us. So they ended up switching us to another plane. Like, we were not getting back on that other plane that was having technical issues. No. We got people to get back home to, things to do, places to go, people to see. No, absolutely not. Period. Oh, I did want to say one more thing, y'all. If you're in Baton Rouge, Louisiana looking for a stylist, boo, like, that's the one to go to, because she is like the total package. You know, she's very humble, very down to earth. You know, she gonna talk to you the whole time, talk your ears off, you know, and she's really serious about her work. This is a passion. It's not just no hustle for her. She's very passionate about what she does. So, you know, book an appointment, you know, what you waiting for? So yeah, we gotta go get some drinks or something like that. But I mean, that's it for this vlog. Thank you guys for watching. Be sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and especially the subscribe part. But that's it though, you know, because it's Kimberly Renee. Hey, Kimberly Renee. That's me.